Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you, is the stock market a better business? What I've experienced up to now, yes, that it is a better business. It depends upon how you want to use the stock market, how do you want to trade in the stock market. All depends upon your choice. So how do you want to trade in the stock market? Well, the way I see the stock market is that there are certain points that you should know. Stock market is a better business. You can use it for side hustle as well. When you have a 9 to 5 job and you want to use, instead of saving, you want to invest in the stock market. You want to invest that saving and make a profit out of it. Yeah, that's also a great idea. You can invest in the stock market as well. It's also a great idea to use the stock market as a side hustle to make further profits, or to make further income as well from your savings. From the money that you want to save, and you use that money to invest. So that's also a great idea to use it as a side hustle. Now I'm currently using this one as well, but first it was, I would use it for business. And how would you use it for business? Well, you can use it for business as, what do you say, uh, to start your own firm, or become a trader. You can choose one of them as a business. First of all, I would, sorry, the eye is a bit far away. Where is it? Yeah. Yes, now it's fine. Yes, so in the beginning I was a trader in the stock market. I would trade stocks, and I would buy them at a discount price and sell them at a high price. So that was my current situation in the stock market, which I was doing. Now, currently I'm using this stock market for a side hustle, because I trade in the stock market. I also have a job that I'm doing right now. I'm going to job right now, so that as well, and I'm using it as a side hustle. I'm trading in the stock market as a side hustle, and which also gives me profit other than my day job. So that's also a plus point. If you want to start your use it as business, it all depends upon you. You can start it as you can start up your own firm, your own investment firm, and invest in the stock market, maybe a brokerage or a mutual fund or a hedge fund, whatever it is. You can start that as well and use it and trade in the stock market for business. It is a better business. You will make profit out of it. There is no such business that will never give you profit. All of the businesses gives profit. So that's the plus point about it. And the thing about the stock market is that what I've experienced myself is that whenever I've invested in a stock market, the share price goes down in value. So I haven't closed my position yet, and after I wait for it, hold those shares, and when I see that the share price is going up, it gives me profit, uh, much more profits. So then I've expected, and so I do this as well, and I've invested in the stock market. Maybe about, I think I'm investing in the stock market from October, the last month, October 2020. So it has been almost 5 to 6 months that I'm trading in the stock market. I've experienced this as well. I haven't faced any losses yet, uh, may that I not face any loss. Because if you go through losses in the stock market, you gain experience. That is for sure. But what I've did right now is that I haven't faced any. Haven't been through any losses in the stock market. Um, Overall, I've profit from the stock market, and that's a plus point because I know how to trade in the stock. I know how to do technical analysis at different points. So before starting any business, you should learn what's going to happen in that business. So you'll have to learn all that is necessary to know about the business that you start, to know about everything that you're starting, because everything requires knowledge. And it is said that knowledge is power, and power is the ability to take action. So you'll have to before starting any business, acquire knowledge about what's going to happen in that, acquire knowledge that what is it that I don't know about the stock market. Well, in the beginning, as I started trading in the stock market, I didn't know what's going to happen. I didn't know a lot, but with the passage of time, I've learned many different things, and now I'm a good trader as well. I'm trading in the stock market. So th- so that's all I want to say about how is it a better business or not. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.